Good day, my name is Ted Jones and we're here at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Here we're on board a brand new 355 LXF Scout. What an amazing boat. In the front area of the bow, you've got a wonderful area for seating and for laying out. The floor actually is a table that will raise up to the height of the seats where you can install an additional cushion, or it comes all the way up as a full table for entertaining and whatnot. Very comfortable here in the front. As we work our way back, we have a very comfortable console layout and seating configuration. It includes 3 Garmin screens for fishing, navigation, and for controlling all the boat systems. This boat's also equipped with a Mercury skyhook and joystick system. It's a wonderful thing for docking and for maneuvering. Now, one of the other things that this boat has that's very unique is this back seat setup. When you first look at it, it just looks like a normal back seat. If you open it, underneath it is a Seakeeper gyro. That's going to keep the boat very stable on those rough days and eliminate any rock and roll on the boat while you're sitting. This seat also folds down and gives you a great area for working and fishing and just entertaining and anything else you've got going on back here. I want to thank you for spending a little bit of time with me to see this boat. I really would love to get you out for a sea trial on it. I think you'd be very impressed. For more information, you're welcome to call me. Again, my name is Ted Jones, MarineMax in Stuart, Florida, 772-263-6743.